Hanke 28-inch Hardside expandable luggage is built for travelers who need space, durability, and smart design without extra weight. This large checked suitcase expands from 106 liters to an impressive 120 liters, giving you up to 13% extra packing capacity whenever you need it. It's perfect for long vacations, family trips, or business travel where flexibility matters. Despite its large size, it weighs only 13 pounds, making it easier to handle than most large suitcases. What truly sets this luggage apart is its top-opening trunk design. Instead of opening flat like traditional suitcases, it opens vertically, allowing easy access without needing extra floor space. This makes it ideal for tight airport lines, small hotel rooms, or packed car trunks. It also doubles as a convenient storage trunk at home. The suitcase is crafted from a durable 3-layer 100% polycarbonate hard shell that is lightweight, yet up to 30% tougher than standard materials. It resists cracking and impact, making it reliable for rough baggage handling during flights. Smooth, silent 360-degree spinner wheels glide easily across different surfaces, including carpets and uneven pavement. Heavy-duty explosion-proof zippers and a TSA-approved lock keep your belongings secure, while the ergonomic multi-stage handle ensures comfortable control during travel. If you're looking for a spacious, expandable, and travel-tested large suitcase that combines strength, smart storage, and smooth mobility, the Hanke 28-inch Hardside luggage is a solid choice. Check the link to see if it fits your next trip.